Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, as you are aware, TCS NQT and Smart Hiring Date is announced. So each and every day, hour, minute, in fact, every second has become very important for you to crack the TCS exam this time. Because most of the companies, including Infosys, has told they are not going to visit the campuses this time, right? Okay. So in this video, we are going to cover time and work from scratch, from zero till the difficult level of the problem, which has been earlier asked in the TCS exam. So I request all of you to please watch the video till the end. And here we are going to use LCM technique to solve the question within 30 seconds or within 1 minute. You can see the first question. If A can do a piece of work in 10 days, B can do a piece of work in 15 days, then together in how many days they will be able to solve complete the work. So the answer will be 6 days. So the time which you will spend in reading the question, in the same time you will be able to solve the problem. So this was easy. So let us take one difficult problem. A can do a piece of work in 10 days, B in 15 days, C in 20 days, and D in 30 days, right? So this will be 60 divided by 6 plus 4 10 plus 3 13 plus 2 15. That means 4 days will be the correct answer. Don't worry, I will teach you the LCM technique, and after that all this kind of problems now you will be able to solve within 30 seconds to 1 minute. Don't worry at all. Okay, now, so if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon, because there are a lot of videos with respect to hiring preparation videos, right? So you can see TCS complete percentage. So topic wise also we are doing previous year reasoning question, previous year aptitude question, right? So all these things we are doing it on our channel, so don't miss this. Now let us start with question number 1. So if A can do a piece of work in 10 days, okay, so 10 days, and B can complete a piece of work in 15 days, in how many days will both of them together can complete the work? So friends, in LCM technique, okay, so in LCM technique, efficiency will be very important to solve the question of time and work. What is efficiency? Means if I know how many work, how much of the work A will do in 1 day, or how much of the work B will do in 1 day, then we can easily tell, so both together how much work they will complete in 1 day, right? See, it's very simple. If you know 50 chapati is there, okay, and if you know my efficiency that sir eats 5 chapati in a day, so for eating 50 chapati how many days I will take? 10 days. That means efficiency is very important to solve the question of time and work. Okay, now, so in LCM technique, what we will do? We will take the LCM of 10 and 15. Sir, I'm not good at taking LCM. If you're not good at taking LCM, don't worry. You can assume a number which is divisible by both. Okay, fine. So anyway, first we will take the LCM and then we will assume the number. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So 5 into 2, 10 into 3, 30. So LCM will be 30. And once you'll take LCM, that will become our work. Now we have to calculate the efficiency. So divide the work by days. 30 by 10, it is 3. So efficiency of A is 3. That means A can complete 3 work in a day. Now divide this 30 by 15, that is 2. That means B can do 2 work in a day. So A and B together can do total 5 work in a day. And what is the total amount of work? 30. And A and B together will be able to do 5 work in a day. That means to complete this 30 work, they will be taking 6 days. Option 2 will be the correct answer. Many of them will tell you, sir, use this formula, no, 10 into 15 AB divided by A plus B. Okay, in this problem you will use and you will get the answer as well. Okay, 6 days. What about this problem? When 4 person are there, what formula you will use? You can't use any formula. Then you will go for the unitary method, and unitary method will become very tough, right, when the problems will start becoming complicated. Okay, so this method only will help you to solve even the complicated problem, that you will understand at the end of this video when we will take the complicated problems. Okay, fine. Now one more time, let us try to understand. So A can do a piece of work in 10 days. B can do a piece of work in 15 days. In how many days will both of them together complete it? I said take LCM. Sir, I'm not comfortable in taking LCM. Okay, you assume a number which is divisible by both 10 and 15. Sir, in my mind it comes 60. Okay, see, LCM will be 30, but in your mind, see, in our mind anything can come, right? So I assumed a number 60. 60 is divisible by this also, and 60 is divisible by this also. No problem. So A efficiency is 6 and B efficiency is 4. A can do 6 work in a day and B can do 4 work in a day. Total work is 60 and A will complete 6 work, B will do 4 work. 60 divided by 10, they will be able to do the work in 60 days. Answer you will get same only. Whatever value you assume, you will be always getting the same answer. If we'll take LCM, the advantage is the calculation will be easy. If you remember, it was 30 divided by 3 plus 2, right? So 30 divided by 5, right? And here it is 60 divided by 10. So the numbers will start becoming bigger and the calculation will increase. That's the only problem. Otherwise, no other issue. Now, same concept here we will use. So if A can do a piece of work in 10 days, B can complete the piece of work in 15 days, and C can do a piece of work in 20 days, and D does the work in 30 days, right? In how many days together they can complete the work? No problem. Again, assume a number. So 10, 15, 20, 30. I could see 60. 60 will be divisible by every number, and that becomes our work. Now, 60 divided by 10. So 60 divided by 10 is 6. 60 divided by 15 is 4. 60 divided by 20 is 3. 60 divided by 30 is 2. This is efficiency. Now total work is 60 and who has to complete? A, B, C. So A efficiency is 6, B is 4, C is 3 and D is 2. 60 divided by 15, it will be taking 4 days to complete the work, right? So all this kind of problems easily we will be able to do with this simple method. One more problem you see. So if A and B together can complete a piece of work in 15 days and B alone can complete this work in 20 days, right? 20 days. Now, sir, what should I do? Same thing you have to do, because I said you in the beginning LCM technique, right? So you have to use only the LCM technique to solve. Now, so if you can take LCM, well and good. Otherwise, you assume a number. So I am assuming 60 here. That became our work. And now 60 by 15, 4 and 60 by 23. So we have got the efficiency, right? Okay. Now, please try to understand. So what is the efficiency of B? Sir, efficiency of B is 3. See, in the question, what has been asked? In how many days A can complete the work? So I need the efficiency of A, because I told you in time and work, we only need to know the efficiency. See, total work is 60. Now, in how many days A can complete the work? Just now I gave you an example. If total 50 chapati is there, and if I can eat 5 chapati in a day, so total I will be needing 10 days to eat chapati. So I need A efficiency now. So I have B efficiency. B efficiency is 3 and A plus B efficiency is 4. So B efficiency is 3, right? So what will be the A efficiency? A efficiency will be 1. That means A efficiency is 1 and B efficiency is 3. So total is 4. So A efficiency is 1 means that means A can complete 1 work in a day. Total is 60. So 60 by 1. That means A will be taking 60 days to complete the work, because A can complete only work in a day, right? Next problem, similar kind of problems is there. Don't worry. So this particular video will give you a lot of confidence in time and work. If A plus B together can complete a piece of work in 16 days, and if A alone can complete the work in 24 days, then in how many days B alone can complete the work? So basically, you need to know the efficiency of B. Take the LCM. Sir, not comfortable in taking LCM. That's okay. So assume a number. So 48. I could see 48. 16 threes are 24 twos are. So 48 is a number which is divisible by both. And now 16 threes are 48 by 16 3 times, 48 by 24 2 times. This is my efficiency. So now you see efficiency of A is 2, right? And A plus B is 3. That means B efficiency will be 3. Then only 2 plus 1 will be 3. Total work is 48 and B can do only 1 work in a day. So for completing 48 work, B will be taking 48 days. Option 2 will be the correct answer, right? So complicated problem and simple solution. Now, if we're really serious about cracking TCS examination, then we have launched crash course on TCS NQT 2024 new pattern, aptitude reasoning verbal programming. If you'll see the content, friends, right? So the first content is free content, how to access courses, and then aptitude 29 videos, and each videos will be almost like 50 minutes to 1 hour, like 59 minutes, 58 minutes, 46 minutes. So everything is like more than 1 hour, right? So all these videos will give you the concept, and then difficult problems are also there which you can solve, right? Okay. And similar way reasoning is there, right? So reasoning videos you can see. And friends, we are also giving you a PDF file where more than 200 pages are there, and lot of questions from aptitude and reasoning is there. So for the practice you do not have to worry. Not only this, even mock test is also there. So there are a lot of mock tests are there. Okay, so that if you solve, that is more than sufficient. So the content is more than sufficient. You do not have to look at any other places, right? Verbal ability, 82 videos are there. Basic videos, right? If you'll see here, so very basic videos are there, exam specific topics are there, and then the previous year questions are there, right? Okay. And then programming videos are there. In programming videos, friends, if you are looking only for TCS, then coding crash course and TCS NQT programming videos, 74 videos are more than sufficient. And also we will be adding some more videos. So there are a lot of contents are there, test series are there, interview courses are there. So the content you don't have to compromise it with. And not only this, all this content will be very, very useful for all other examination. So that's the reason we have increased the price to 999, because we have included lot of courses, right? See, someone is facing, suppose, some problem in programming. Okay, sir, this particular concept of data structure I don't know. Then you can go to data structure, you can read, right? So even so data structure basic is also there, C programming is also there. So each and every concepts, right, is already there. So not only this, so competitive coding, the DSA we have put using C++, using Java. So I mean, this particular content, even other people are selling in 2000 rupees. Get it right now and make a place in your TCS examination this year, right? Okay, so all these concepts whatever I'm discussing here, with difficult problems already has been discussed with lot of extra problems. Now, A alone can finish a work in 10 days. The link of the course will be in the description. Okay, so this particular course, so you can find the link in description. So A alone can finish the work in 10 days. B alone can do it in 15 days. If they work together and finish it, the out of total wages of rupees 225, the amount that A will get. That means, friends, see, A can complete a work in 10 days, B will take 15 days to complete the work. Okay, and both together they are getting 225 rupees. They have to distribute among themselves. Okay, now, so always remember, so your wages, no, so your wages will get distributed, your wages will get distributed in terms of efficiency. Whole time and work question will be solved only based on efficiency. See, friends, if your efficiency is good, you will be getting more paid, right? If your efficiency is bad, then definitely, see, if you are able to solve the TCS question within time, so within 30 seconds to 1 minute, if you are able to solve TCS question, that means your efficiency is good, and definitely you should get a job. And if someone is taking 2 minutes to solve one question, then efficiency is not good. Definitely, they will not be getting good money or something, right? Okay. So now A can finish a work in 10 days and B can finish a work in 15 days. If they work together and finish it, so first find out efficiency. Once you get the efficiency, you distribute the amount in that ratio. So now assume a number which is divisible by both. So 30, that becomes our work. 30 by 10, 3. 30 by 15, 2. So the efficiency of A is high and the efficiency of B is low. So A will be getting more money and B will be getting less money. Total is 225, right? Total is 225 and total part is 5. Out of that, A is 3 because A has more efficiency. So total part is 5. Out of that, A will be getting 3 part because A is more efficient. Now this is 45 times. So 45 into 3, 135. So option 3 becomes the correct answer for the question number 5, right? So see, all these questions, you can imagine doing in mind itself. So this is 3, 2. So 225 into 3 by 5. How much time it will take? 135. What about B? So B you subtract from 225. So it is nothing but 90 rupees. So B will be getting 90 rupees, right? So when I'm explaining, then also it is not taking more than a minute, right? When you will solve, it will take less time only. Now, A can complete 2 by 5 work in 12 days, right? Okay, so now we'll have to find it out. One work A will be able to complete in how many days? So 12 divided by 2 by 5, and this once it goes up, So it will become 12 into 5 by 2. That means 2 6 ja and 30. Now suppose someone is doing mistake. So A can do 2 by 5 work in 12 days. Then A will be able to do one work in 12 into 2 by 5. So instead of 5 by 2, if someone wrote 2 by 5, no problem. Now you see, so see, friends, the only thing is you have to use little bit of your mind. You have to think a bit. So it is almost 5. So A is doing 2 by 5. I mean, 2 part of 5 work A is doing in 12 days. Then 5 by 5, one work A will definitely not do in 5 days. A will be taking more time. So even if you do mistake in the examination, or even if you do mistake anywhere, mathematics is such a subject where you can cross verify. Now B is doing 3 by 4th work in 15 days, right? So B will be able to do one work in 15 into 4 by 3. I will directly multiply now, because here you have already understood the down one will go up. So this is 5 times, so nothing but 20. Now in how many days together A and B will complete the work? So A can complete one work in 30 days, B can complete one work in 20 days. Take LCM or assume a number, and now 60 divided by 32 times, 60 divided by 20 3 times. Efficiency of A and B: A will complete 2 work in a day, B will complete 3 work in a day. A and B will be completing the work in 60 by 5, that means 12 days. So this is one of the tricky problems, right? Now if you do it by unitary method, then you see how much time it will take. Forget about time, the confusion remains same. So you will be also getting more confused also. Okay, fine. Now question number 7. So question number 7, Ram can complete 50% of the work in 4 days. Harish can complete 1/3 of the work in 4 days, and Chirag can complete 1/6 of the same work in 4 days. In how many days can they complete 50% of the same work if Ram, Harish, and Chirag work together? So this is a question has been asked in TCS examination. Okay, so this is a TCS question. Fine, you can also put on Google and you can check. See, I don't lie that. Okay, so any question I took asked in TCS. Put on Google, right? So you can only see, if I, if you want to see, I will put here in Google. So Ram can complete 50% of the work in, it should come, see, I don't know, I am typing in front of you only, 4 days, right? So TCS, so Ram can complete. Okay, so this questions has been asked in the TCS examination. So TCS placement paper, right? So you can see TCS placement paper. So this kind of questions. Okay, so 50% of the work in 9 days. So similar kind of questions has been asked in the other examination also. So this is basically a TCS question, right? Okay, TCS exam. So some of the somewhere it will be definitely mentioned, you need to check it out. Okay, fine. So this is a similar kind of question is there. Okay, fine. Anyway, so this is a question of TCS. I don't want to put more stress on that. Fine. Now, so 50% is what? 1 by 2. So Ram can do 1 by 2, 50% of the work in 4 days, then 100% of the work. So then 100% of the work, one work into, so it will be nothing but 8 days, right? 8 days. Then Harish can do 1/3 of the work in 4 days, then one work in 4 into 3 by 1. That is nothing but 12 days. And then Chirag can complete 1/6 of the work in 4 days, then one work. So 4 into 6 by 1, it is nothing but 24. Directly I did. So this, if you understand, see, 1 by 6 of the work in 4 days. So one work in 4 divided by 1 by 6. Now, so this 4, if this, how we will solve? So this 6 will go up and 1 will be here itself. Okay. Now, so Ram, 8 days, Harish, 12 days, and Chirag, 24 days. Now, take the LCM. So LCM, you can see 8, 12, 24. I will teach you the LCM also. LCM, it's very, very easy. See, 8, 12, and 24. LCM you have to take. So first pick the bigger number. Bigger number is 24. Is it divisible by all three? Yes. This is your LCM. That's all. So now 8 3s are, 12 2s are, and 24 1s are. 24 by 8 3, 24 by 12 2, 24 by 1 24. Now this is efficiency. So they are asking 50% of the work they will complete in how many days? So my work is 24. So what will be the 50% of the work? So 50% of work will be nothing but 24 by 2, it is 12. Now 12 work has to be completed by whom? Ram, Harish and Chirag. So Ram can do 3 work in a day, Chirag can do 2 work in a day, and Harish can do 2 work in a day, and Chirag can do 1 work in a day. So 12 by 6, that is nothing but 2 days. So for question number 7, option 2 will be the correct answer, right? Okay, no problem. Now question number 8. So question number 8, in the normal course, Rabi, so this is again a TCS question. Okay, so this is again a TCS question. So in a normal course, Rabi, Sanjay and Mukund can build a wall in 5 days, 8 days and 10 days. Due to difficult terrain and slushy condition at the site, the individual time required for each to complete the work has increased. Now, so Ram is earlier taking 5 days, but now Ram is taking 20% more. So 20% of 5 will be what? 1. So now Ram will be taking 6 days. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, fine. So earlier Sanjay was taking 8 days. Okay, and now Sanjay is taking 25% more. So what will be the 25%? So 8 is 100%, right? And 50% is nothing but 4, and 25% is again half of this, means 2. So it is taking 10 days. Okay, fine. And earlier Mukund was taking 10 days. Now 50% more. 50% of 10 is 5, right? So 15 days. That's all. So this is now days. Now in how many days they will be able to build the wall if they work together? So take the LCM or assume a number which is divisible by all 3. 6 5 ja, that means 30 by 6 is 5, 30 by 10 is 3, and 30 by 15 is 2. This is my efficiency, right? Okay, now the total work is 30, and Ram can do 5 work in a day, Sanjay can do 3 work in a day, and Mukund 2. So 30 divided by 10, that means altogether in 3 days they will build the wall, and option A will become the correct answer for the question number 8, right? So I hope all these problems you understood, and this was the part 1, right? So this was the part 1, and if you comment that the video was good, you're able to understand, and if you want part 2, then I will be bringing part 2 for you, where we will be discussing so this kind of efficiency based problems, like x is 4 times as efficient as y in respect of doing a particular work. Working together, they complete the work in 16 days. In how many days y working alone will be able to complete half of the work? So this is one of the tough problem. Okay, but we have the easy method which will help you to solve the question in 30 seconds. So if you want me to make part 2 of time and work, please do comment, and don't forget to like this video so that others, and share with others also. So I wanted to make this aptitude very simple for everyone, and let everyone get the job in TCS this time. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best. And don't forget to get this course, okay, if you are really serious of cracking TCS exam. Otherwise it is not required. See, we don't do extensive marketing. We just tell you, okay, so this is what we have. If you feel like getting it, please get it. Thank you.